Dear listeners of the AUIB FM 101.5, welcome to a new episode of the Student Spotlight segments. As part of the great efforts made by the American Space at the American University of Iraq, Baghdad, to be an incubator and supporter of ambitious students from various Iraqi universities, we recently witnessed a remarkable workshop titled The Dental Journey, Preclinical Training and the Rise of Digital Dentistry. The workshop is organized in collaboration between the American University of Iraq, Baghdad, the University of Al-Qadisiyah, and the University of Al-Bayan, with the support of the VA Dental, and brought together dental students across Iraq. And among the standout participants were our two guests today, Ahmed Basim and Osama Sami, who played a key roles in shedding light on two important aspects of the dental student's journey: preclinical training and the rapid rise of digital dentistry. In today's Student Spotlight segment, we will hear from them about the experience, but first we have to say hello and welcome Osama and Ahmed on the AUIB FM.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you, Ahmed?
I'm fine, thank you.
Please, and at the first stage of this fruitful conversation, I hope it will be a fruitful conversation, introduce yourself to the listeners. We would begin with Ahmed.
Hello everyone, I am Ahmed Basim Al-Janabi. I am stagiaire student in College of Dental Medicine and Surgery. I am interested in medical education, and in dentistry I am interested in endodontics and oral surgery, and I have been experienced and observed a lot of cases in private clinics for 4 years, and I am really excited to be there today.
You're welcome, and now it's the turn for Osama.
Hello, everyone listening. I'd like to start off by introducing myself. My name is Osama Sami from Al-Qadisiyah University. I'm a third year dental student. I've been fortunate enough to have ranked first on my batch for the first and second year of dental school. I was also fortunate enough to have achieved a 1400 on the SAT, which is, I think, an exam that most people in AUIB are familiar with. Also, I have an IELTS score of 7.5. And I've lived in the UK, in Turkey, in Iraq, and I think the fact that I've lived in such different places has definitely given me the advantage of having an idea that education is global, and that's I guess where the idea of digital dentistry really stemmed from for this presentation, because I believe that digital dentistry is the pathway for students to actually have a global connection across the world, I guess, in terms of dentistry.
That's excellent. And now I would like to start the conversation with both of you, but first with Ahmed Basim. I want to ask you, what is the main idea behind your part of the workshop, the dental journey, and why did you focus on preclinical training?
Actually, my initiation came from my personal experience. My personal experience was when I entered the clinical phase of College of Dentistry. You know, College of Dentistry is it has a theoretical part and a clinical phase. So I choose to focus on this transitional point, that it is really important in building the character of dental student now, and of course the future dentist.
And now it's the turn for Osama. What is the main idea behind your part of the workshop here at AUIB, specifically the American Space, and why did you choose to present on digital dentistry?
My part of the workshop focuses mainly on digital dentistry. I personally chose this part of in the presentation at the American Space because I believe that digital dentistry is something that's rapidly rising and something that everyone in dental schools in Iraq should be exposed to, since during our education in universities we're not really taught practically and really about these devices. So I definitely tried to, through this workshop, expose the students to these devices, to the idea of digital dentistry, what it is, and how it benefits the students, the patients, and get actual hands-on experience with the devices. So I can say that the main point of my workshop is to open a window for the students to observe what the future looks like for the students.
Okay.
Yes.
So for Ahmed, why is a preclinical training so important for dental students, and how does it help to build a strong foundation before entering clinics?
Actually, not all dental students have the opportunity to be in a private clinics or observe cases. So it's really it's one of the difficult challenges when you have to change the mentality or the mindset of the students from a student working on mannequins to a doctor working on patients. So that's why I choose to create these preclinical training sessions that it can focus on how they will communicate with patients, how the experience will be with real patients.
You've told me before this episode that this is the first time a person here locally think about this phase or this stage for all the students in the clinical or medical field.
Yeah, actually, because this gap should be filled with something that is beneficial. Not all organizations or student-led activities focus on this part of dental journey. So it will be a gap, and it will be difficult and challenge for dental students. So it will be really beneficial for them.
Okay, now I want to ask Osama, in simple terms, what does the digital dentistry mean, and how is it different from the preclinical training? Because you combine all these topics in this workshop.
In simple terms, digital dentistry is the use of computer-based programs, software, and devices for delivering the treatment to the patient and for patient care in general. So it's the use of intraoral scanners, CAD/CAM. It's the use of 3D printers. In terms of the difference between, I guess, preclinical dentistry and digital dentistry, preclinical dentistry mainly focuses on developing your hand skills.
Okay.
Whereas digital dentistry focuses on developing your mind in order to think of dentistry in a digital way.
Okay.
Personally, I believe a balance between the traditional preclinical dentistry and digital dentistry is definitely needed for a student to actually be competitive in the job market and around other dental students around the world.
Well, that's excellent. So, Ahmed, what are the biggest challenges students usually face at this stage, and what practical solutions or advice can help them overcome these challenges?
I mentioned that previously. When you are a dental student and this is your first experience to deal with patients, communicate with them, and how to treat them, this is really a challenge for students. And even there is some skills that they have to work on it or practice it, like dental photography. You have to document your cases, and also there is a communication and soft skills they should also work on it and improve it. It will be really beneficial if they are enhance it enough to deal with Iraqi patients at least.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Osama, as an Iraqi dental
Yes.
student, what challenge did you face in getting into this new field, and how did you overcome them?
I think the main challenge in terms of doing this workshop on digital dentistry was actually acquiring the devices, because these devices are very expensive and they are very hard to get hands on. But luckily, I took the initiative and I reached out to VA Dental, which were very opening and very positive towards the idea of using these devices in the workshop and getting the students to actually have hands-on experience. So me and a group of my friends actually went and had hands-on experience and training on the devices so that we can transfer the knowledge from our training to the students under supervision of the VA Dental as well.
Well, that's really remarkable to mention, and now it's the turn for Ahmed. In your view, why is it important today for students to learn traditional methods alongside the digital techniques?
First of all, the traditional techniques in dentistry is very important because it's the backbone of dentistry. So every dentist should master this traditional techniques.
Okay.
But at the same time, keep up with development is very important because it's make the dentistry practice is easier and more accurate. So it's very important to improve the mindsets of dentists in Iraq and keep up with the development and what's going on throughout the world.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Osama, how can this workshop help students keep up with the latest development and benefits from hands-on experience with the digital tools?
I think definitely for the terms of the benefits, I think that most of the students here in Iraq and in most dental schools don't actually have the hands-on experience with the devices, and they don't have the opportunity to use them. So it's something to hear about intraoral scanners, and it's something else to actually get hands-on experience with them.
Okay.
and see the 3D model in front of your eyes. So I think definitely that fact gives the student the idea of what the potential of digital dentistry actually is, and it helps motivate them to look for new aspects within the field of dentistry and not just focus on the traditional sense of dentistry.
Okay, so I have a question for both of you. How did you collaborate together, just the two of you, about this topic and choose this specific topics to have a workshop and to tell the people how to leverage with the preclinical training and the digital dentistry? Was it spontaneous or not?
Can I answer the question? Basically, the collaboration between me and Ahmed was totally because of the AUIB American Space.
Yes.
Okay.
Because they had a great role in our collaboration.
Okay.
Without them, I don't think this collaboration would have happened.
It was
They
not
actually,
expected, actually.
Yeah,
I think
it
you
was never
deserve
expected.
that. It's really important topics, and
Yes.
it's really beneficial for all the dental students,
Yeah.
and it's leveraging their and level up their knowledge and their professions in the future. And now I have a question for both of you. How do you see the role of cooperation between universities in supporting joint workshops like this and helping dental students develop nowadays? I begin with Ahmed.
Okay. Actually, cooperation between universities is a really special experience. You know, when you gather students with each other in educational environments, so you will exchange the informations between them and make them really, they will change the mindsets of them and make it up to date. So it's really a special opportunity that we will get, and I am really grateful for this opportunity.
And I would like to hear from you, Osama.
I think the idea of collaboration between universities is definitely something that's very great. It helps bring students from diverse backgrounds together in order to share something unique, which is, for my part, it's some new tech. So it's definitely very important. And it creates this tone of collaboration and partnership and helpfulness, and it just gives the idea that education isn't something that's isolated. It's rather something that we can all gain together.
Of course. So what role does the American space play in supporting students' initiatives like this, and how would you describe the collaboration between AUIB and other Iraqi universities in this case?
I definitely think that the American space has a huge role within this event. Everyone that's involved within the American space has a great role, and I'm very thankful for the American space for giving us the opportunity to teach, lead, and just host this event. Without them, I don't think any of this would be possible, if I'm honest.
Okay.
The American space just it gave us the opportunity to actually collaborate on something that's very special, and not many dental students actually have the opportunity to view. So it just shows what the American University in Baghdad really aims for. It aims for student benefit.
Of course, and I am sure that you deserve that, because it's really an important topic, as I said before. And now it's the turn for Ahmed. How did you see the collaboration with the American space? And can you describe this collaboration between the AUIB and other universities? Is it beneficial for you?
Collaboration with American space is really a special experience for me, or for us, and they are really play a key role in support students and improve their leadership, and really make their ideas real. So I really appreciate this opportunity, and I am really thankful for American Space.
You're welcome anytime. And finally, with this fruitful conversation, what is your message to your fellow dental students through this workshop? I will begin with Ahmed, and then I will hear from Osama.
First of all, I advise my colleagues to work on the theory part of dental journey. To be scientific is really something important, and of course participate in beneficial events and work on themselves to improve their skills, and I wish all the best for them.
I would like to say at the end, Ahmed Bassem and Osama Sami, I'm really proud and happy to have you with us today at the Student Spotlight segments, and I wish to both of you the best of luck, and I wish to hear all good news about you, and good luck with the workshop.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you so much.